Alright, what's up, y'all? So, I got some sweet potatoes to dig. If anybody wants slips from these sweet potatoes, let me know, because I'm going to save more slips than I need, but if people don't want them, I'm not going to keep them. So, if you want them, you better get on it. I'm going to look at this. Look at this here. I thought I was going to be able to kind of untangle it. Nope. Homegirl gonna have to do some surgery. Gonna have to do some surgery. I'm gonna show y'all how long these vines got in places. These vines got over over 10 feet in places. So, you know, just saying. Really, in order for you to get some good sweet potatoes, I think you need a lot of foliage. And if your vines aren't very long and you don't have much foliage, I don't think they would do as well. That's just me. Oh, sweet. Oh man, I'm about to tear the cage up. Your stuff in here like this. It's gonna take me longer. See all that? It's gonna take me longer to get the stuff out from around the cage. Oh my goodness. And here go the vine.
Hey!
How you doing?
Oh, I've been doing alright. I've been seeing you in the car. You ever need any help? Right in the car?
Nah, I got it.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I wouldn't mind waiting along this along now.
I got it.
Yes, ma'am.
I appreciate it though.
Yes, ma'am. Name's Logan Griffin, by the way.
Okay.
Stay right over here. If you ever need anything, like as far as yard done, painting, construction, roof.
Alright, I'll holler at you.
I stay at 460 East Line.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I know he need a roof real soon.
Ma'am?
He said he putting a roof on that house the beginning of the year. So.
Okay. I do car and audio too.
Okay.
I'll probably just let you know all my skills. Carpentry, construction, house remodeling, painting, roofing, tire repairman. I do a little bit of construction. Just about anything I can get my hands on. Y'all work too.
Alright. Well, I keep you in mind. You said 416 East Line.
Yes, ma'am. Right here.
Yeah.
They got two houses. I'm the house right behind it.
Okay. Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Got you. I appreciate you.
Yes, ma'am.
See how they be trying to get a little money? They be trying to get some money to rake the yard. Child, please. You see what I'm talking about? When they come by, they just want to rake. They don't want to do no real work. Can y'all see that? How long that is? That one probably was about 15 feet. Alright. Lord, I still got a dirt. Okay. Oh. Alright, now maybe we can get to something. Now, this soil I planted this in is real, tell y'all something about these Amazon cutters. They work good, but they don't work good at the same time. They cut good, they don't close good. But anyway, I'm gonna see where this stuff is coming out the ground at. I'm gonna try not to stab no potato. I'm gonna try. That ground is a lot softer than I thought it was gonna be. Now keep in mind, bit of a challenge. I got a lot of pine straw. You'll see what I got probably. I got a lot of tree roots in this ground too, so this ain't the ideal growing. I did put mound soil up on top of the ground, but this ain't the ideal growing situation. Because all the roots and stuff that tend to come up in this. So let me see what y'all can see. Probably nothing, you know, my camera will stop recording. It'll do all that kind of stuff. Okay. Ooh, the ground is so warm. Well, first little something we pulled up. We got a little something. Got a lot of little, still something over here. Ooh. Look at that. Ah. I got him a little bit, but let me show y'all. Can y'all see that that flesh is purple? Can y'all see that? Really can't tell that the skin is purple, but the flesh is purple as well. Ooh, look at that. Little onion. We'll throw you to the side. Little onion. Okay. Ooh, but this soil is so loose down, so deep. These, they may have loosened the soil a little bit, kind of on the deeper. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. And they ain't all them crazy shapes. Look how good, look how pretty. Ooh. Y'all know I'm getting excited. Ooh, ooh. Wait a minute. That broke off, I believe. Let me see if I can show that. I'm gonna have to wrench. See, now some of this I'm digging, and I feel pine roots at the same time. So this is what I wanted to show y'all. Can y'all see that the purple skin and the purple flesh. So if you won't slip, this what you will be getting. That's what kind of potato. Let me keep going, y'all. I'm getting excited. Whoa. There's one. Kind of weird shaped. But baby, I don't care. It'll eat. It will eat. I am trying to be careful with this fork because I don't want to get too many potatoes. You bound to nick some. It's just, ooh. Look at that. Like I said, you bound to get some. Look at how many vines was coming out of that. I believe this is what broke off the other one. That end that I washed and showed you. See how I got it with the fork. But it's okay. Try not to do that, but it's hard because you can't see. You honestly and truth lies. Look at that. Look at that. And stuff like this, y'all, this little stuff, I plant that back. Because that can be your next year's plants. No, here's the other end of that one that I showed y'all. So it was okay size. These sweet potatoes have really loosened this soil. This soil was so hard before. I couldn't even dig down there. See, like these roots here, plant that back. I'm probably gonna get potatoes out of that. So like, it doesn't hurt to plant that. I just keep finding ends. I guess I'm breaking all the ends off. I don't know. This is another prime example of what to plant back. So let me keep on. What are you doing? My neighbor up there. He's so ignorant. Ooh, y'all. I'm so excited. Lord, look at this onion. And remember I had told y'all I had missed some onion down in here. Now that outside is toast, but look at that. And you're not gonna kill those. You can plant those right back. So, whew. Let me get back to digging in the soil. The soil is warm. Hell, everywhere else is cold. Y'all see all the white mycelium? Y'all see all that? That's goodness. See, there's another. Ain't very big, but I'll take it. Let me see. This one is going into the ground. Right here. And I do have a lot of pine straw and all kind of stuff down in here. You may or may not have that. Pine straw falls over here. Ooh, ooh. Can y'all see it? Lord, let me put my hand. Ooh, can y'all see? I can't with that Negro. I can't. And just so oblivious. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, y'all. This one right there. Let me try to turn. I'm trying to loosen around.